What you're looking at is the Agafay Desert, or as I like to call it, my office. Being an entrepreneur and influencer isn't easy, yet here I am, about to do work in the middle of paradise, servicing my clients, answering emails. 9-to-5 job? Who needs that? I'm a fucking influencer.
Babe!
Yeah, sweetie? Yes?
Where are you?
I'm out here working. What's up, babe?
Working? What are you doing?
I'm checking client analytics.
Client analytics?
Yeah.
There's no Wi-Fi here.
Hadouken!
The computer's off. You need to call the front desk about the toilet. It smells like shit in here. And we're gonna miss our ATV ride. Let's go.